How much is a Philips Smart TV? Philips Smart TVs are available in different models, sizes, and features, making them a great choice for various budgets. The price of a Philips Smart TV varies depending on the screen size, technology, and smart features. Generally, the cost ranges from affordable entry-level models to high-end premium versions. 1. Price range of Philips Smart TVs. The cost of a Philips Smart TV depends on the model and size. 32-inch models, typically priced between $150 to $250. 43-inch models, usually range from $250 to $350, $400. 55-inch models, can be found between $400 to $700. 65-inch models, priced around $600 to $1,200 depending on features. OLED and Ambilight models. Higher-end versions range from $1,200 to $2,500 due to advanced display technology. 2. Different Philips TV models and their pricing. Philips offers various TV models including standard LED TVs, budget-friendly options with full HD or 4K resolution, starting at $150. Ambilight series, mid-range models featuring immersive lighting effects, priced between $500 to $1,500. OLED TVs, premium models with superior contrast and deep blacks, ranging from $1,500 to $2,500. 3. Features that affect the price. Several factors influence the price of Philips Smart TVs, including display technology. OLED and Ambilight models cost more than standard LED versions. Screen size. Larger screens typically have higher prices. Resolution and HDR. 4K and HDR10 Plus support increase the price. Smart features. TVs with Android TV or Google TV tend to be priced higher than basic smart models. 4. Where to buy a Philips Smart TV. Philips Smart TVs can be purchased from major electronics retailers, department stores, and online marketplaces. Prices may vary based on store promotions and stock availability. Buying from authorized sellers ensures warranty protection and better customer service. 5. Best time to purchase for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Philips Smart TV, consider shopping during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Significant discounts on most models. Holiday sales. Special promotions around Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. Clearance events. Older models get discounted when new versions are released. Philips Smart TVs offer great value across different price ranges, from budget-friendly models to premium OLED options. By comparing features, checking for discounts, and shopping during sales, consumers can find the best TV that fits their needs and budget.